Hello! Hello!
Hi Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Hi Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Encantao.
Hi Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Murag si Gollum. Lino.
Hala.
Ano, dito pa doon.
Now.
Anya, ya dito pa dong. Ato bang na yun? Amerikano.
This is my house. I've been to this place once, but before, but it's a lot of changes here. As you can see, there's so many changes. There's can you point the video there? There's
Okay.
some houses up there and new houses, and also here there's houses also, a residential house. And if you there, there's so many houses. These are the trees in this place.
Ako magkukuan na.
There's the trees in this place.
Sorry, direct.
Kalachuchi. Kalachuchi.
Yeah, kala chuchi.
Kalachuchi.
Chuchi.
And
Ayo,
there's some
ang
malunggay
kanya.
tree. And
Oh, don't lick your nose.
is this a papaya tree? Papaya.
No, it's a papaya.
Papaya tree.
Close up.
No, you can just adjust there. Up
Okay.
here. There's a mango tree. And voila! I came from Canada. You know Canada? You know where?
Bala!
And there are some plants here that I don't know what's the name. And also
It's a
have you been to this
boom.
place before? No.
You've been there. You've been
There's
there.
a round table out there. Close up, round table. And
What? I don't know.
that's that's I don't know that it's a monkey. Or
Yeah, just a monkey eating ugly.
It's a monkey. And some people are talking in Bisaya, but I don't understand them because I didn't study Bisaya. You know, I've been here for just 5 days now, and I don't know how to speak Bisaya except from
Ous?
mabuhi.
Ay,
and
no, it's not mabuhi. It's mabuhay.
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 Also, near place is a haunted house, and there's that windows in this place. Here's the haunted house. There you are. There you are. That's my sister Jaricel. She's like a man because of her haircut, but as you can see, she's having some party. This is the place. This is the place. The detail. Who, where, what? There's some people out there. That's my sister. She has a big head.
Gobi siya ko na big head.
Her-
Tag-head din si Pal.
Yeah. And here. This is place. This is the door. The door. Place. From this place, you can see the gate. And the gate, as you can see, the trees.
Stop.
That's my sister again. She's wearing black. Okay, and let's go to the entrance of the house. Okay, come on.
Yeah, let's Let's go.
Okay,
Welcome to our house.
this
This
is.
is my sister's clothes.
Oh, she's wearing a blanket. That's her blanket. Okay, that's a window.
Ako video
That's the window there.
Ako, ibigay sa kasod.
What's that? What's that?
Kay undoy na.
Okay. And as you can see.
Where is
Hey, where's your
Okay, sorry.
As you can see, there's a cow over there. And also, this is a big star apple tree, isn't it? This is star apple tree.
No, it's a kaimato.
Kaimato, yeah, it's kaimato, okay.
Well, I will close up there.
Yeah, that's chickens. There are a lot of chickens here.
Kanang lapok.
That's white.
And
like,
this is the
like,
canal.
how big is that? The canal. How long is it? We
Who's
have a
that?
lot of fans
Pokemon.
here. This is
Pokemon.
Lord the Legend. This is Francis John. And that is Chloe, Jay, and Detail. And that one over there, so thin and so sticky. That's Angelo.
Billy Crawford.
And you can see there's a cow. That cow. We just figured out Blue's Clues.
We just figured Blue's Clues. That's our single blue. Our handy dandy
Notebook.
thinking chair.
We got a whale, we got a whale, got a sumit ang bag. Let's go, let's go.
You go there.
Yeah.
Go over there.
You go with Alex.
Ala. Ala.
This is the room.
Ala. Uy, tanaw room.
This is not a room.
This is the kitchen. Oh, this is the kitchen. There's some traditional chimney. This is a chimney. So all. As you can see, there's a lot of ashes and also. Look at that. And this is a greasy, oily.
Ew.
That's one. That's the teapot, right?
I am Mr. Teapot. You go and
Tico and Carabao. That's Tico and Carabao. As you can see there.
Ayaw ba?
That is. Halo. Halo, kasi ng labay. Ongo. Ongo.
Star apple tree. Ano?
Ongo ng labay. And me.
Balimbing.
Batman.
Big.
I'm a Batman. Malingay.
Big.
Tuko, tuko, tuko.
Hi. I'm done.
Stop.
The end.
Stop.
Oh, ito na.